couple of new Xbox One drivers are on their way next month, including the elegant Phantom Black Special Edition. It has a translucent black finish on the top of the controller that makes the transition to champagne gold at the bottom. Tickets are also black, except for a champagne-colored D-pad. The controller also has textured grips, which should keep the Phantom Black securely in your hands. If that does not tickle your imagination, you may want to take the second new driver instead. It's mostly gray, with splashes of bright blue under the thumbsticks and in the back. The Phantom Black will cost you $70 and will be sent on September 11th. The gray and blue version costs $65 and will fall in the US, EU and Canada on September 25th and in another place on October 9th. In some markets, you'll get 14-day tests for Xbox Live Gold and Xbox Game Pass with any of the drivers, which are also compatible with Windows 10.